Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting at the desktop. Right-click and open Display Settings to begin. Once there, scan the Scale and Layout section to see current size values, because this determines base font scaling. If scale shows a custom value or apps look blurry, click Advanced Display Settings to view adapter properties. Make sure to note current resolution. Changing fonts often works best when resolution matches native display. Once done, prepare to adjust text size directly through Ease of Access or Advanced Scaling options, which we'll do next. Now adjust text size via Ease of Access. Open Settings, go to Ease of Access then Display, and drag the Make Text Bigger slider until text is readable. You're changing font scaling without altering overall display resolution. That's why this step is safer. After moving the slider, click Apply. Windows may ask you to sign out to fully apply changes, so save work first. If you need system-wide changes, return to Scale and Layout, and pick a preset like 125% or a custom 110%. Finish by fine-tuning font clarity. Run ClearType Text Tuner from Control Panel to sharpen rendering. Make sure to check individual app settings because some programs use their own scaling. If an app looks blurry, open its compatibility properties and enable Override High DPI Scaling Behavior or uncheck Let Windows try to fix scaling for apps. If something breaks, revert changes in display settings or use System Restore to roll back. One key tip: sign out and sign back in after major scaling changes to avoid transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.